Hi, we have this exponential equation. You know how I'm always wanting to solve for x? And look where the x is. It is up in the exponent. How in the world can I solve for x? Well, one method we have to solve these kind of problems is to get the bases the same. Can we? Can we make 2 and 8 the same base? I think so. I will have 2 to the 1 plus 2x. Now, do you believe that 8 is the same thing as 2 to the third? Then you are correct. Now look what we have. This 2 to the something is equal to 2 to the third. Our common sense should tell us that if these are equal, both bases of 2, this exponent must equal the right exponent. So there we have it. 1 plus 2x must equal 3. And now I am ready for a very simple two-step equation. I will subtract 1 from both sides. I will have 2x is equal to 2. I will divide both sides by 2, and x is going to equal 1. My solution set to this equation is 1. And sure enough, if you plug 1 back up in here, you will see that we did indeed get the right answer. Now let's try one more problem. We have another exponential equation. I have 4 to the 3x plus 5. You see that x up in the exponent? And it's equal to 1 over 256. I really want to get these bases the same. Do you believe that 1 over 256? Do you believe that 256 is 4 to the fourth? That's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Do you also remember the rule? Like if I had a to the negative 3, if I have something to a negative exponent, if I want that exponent to change signs, I can move it from the numerator to the denominator or vice versa. But if I move it from the numerator to the denominator, what happens to the sign of the exponents? It changes. That's a method I'm going to use. So I have 4 to the 3x plus 5. And that is equal to 1 over 4 to the fourth. Because 256 is 4 to the fourth. Those bases are still not the same. On the left side, I have 4 to the 3x plus 5. And on the right side, I am going to move that 4 from the denominator. I'm going to move it up to the numerator. Can I do that just because it's my birthday? Oh no. If I move it up, the exponent 4, instead of positive, it now becomes negative. Now look what we have. We have matching bases. This is 4 to the something. That's equal to 4 to the something. What should my common sense tell me? That 3x plus 5 must equal negative 4. So 3x plus 5 is going to equal negative 4. And now I'm down to a regular two-step equation. I am going to subtract 5 from both sides. On the left side, I'm going to have just 3x. On the right side, negative 4 and a negative 5 is a negative 9. Divide both sides by 3, and x is equal to negative 9 divided by 3 is a negative 3. The solution set to this equation is negative 3.